Well, welcome back, everybody. It's been a great start to the week here. You saw Zia did his video last night, focusing on some of the strategies I'm going to be teaching Wednesday here tomorrow. And then, of course, today we went ahead and had some really nice follow through as we're continuing to struggle near this key resistance on the SPY on the weekly chart. So the market is closing up right now. Cash session futures will be open for a little bit longer here. So, but you can see we went ahead and are struggling at that resistance. So kind of end up closing a little bit the midpoint of today's activity on the SPY, but it led to some really good activity. So just understand, I'm going to be watching those key areas that I told you about last week. I'm going to be focusing on those areas with you here. So, beyond that, let's take a look at what we're looking for with the scanning. So right now on an intraday basis, because we're still waiting for that big move to happen on the swing trading basis, there's a couple of opportunities, a couple ways to focus on this. Number one, from a swing trading perspective, go ahead and identify really high probability trades from my perspective, ones that are firing off buy signals above key channels and above trends, and or ones that are above what we call target 2, which can become runaways. These, and I'll show you how to find these on the scanners. I'll show you how like the stocks like Exxon were on the scanners and then fired off with this gorgeous runaway. So there are isolated trades to take. This is not a market yet with the chart that I just showed you a moment ago. You can't just blindly buy anything in here and expect everything to rise. It's going to have to be very selective at this point. And so we're going to talk about that tomorrow night. What, as a confident trader and a calculated trader, what makes those kind of trades. So this is a little bit different than the class I did for you guys a few weeks ago. That was really for more seasoned, more serious traders and investors. And this one's going to be for all traders and investors, regardless of account size from my perspective and everything else. But what we're doing here is then really focusing on the intraday perspective here as well. And so I'm going to walk you through this whole process of identifying those calculated trades, ones that more cautious traders could focus on first, and then the more confident trades there along the way. So we're going to kind of put all of that together because I use those strategies in today's session for myself. Obviously, I can't promise you guys are going to make money. Past performances and indicative future results. You guys know the drill. But the reality is, it's what I'm doing in my live account, and I want to go ahead and share those things with you here tomorrow. So we're going to be doing this very special class tomorrow night, putting these pieces as confident traders, calculated traders with the setups and entries I did not show a couple weeks ago that I will be showing in this class because it applies to more people. So if you go to becomeabettertrader.com/go, becomeabettertrader.com/go, I'm going to put all this together for you in this very special class that I haven't done for well over 3 months now. So great time to go and be together because it's happening and I'm using these things right here in the current markets live. So there's no better than right here, right now. Okay, so have a wonderful night. I will look forward to seeing you. This is the last time you'll see me before the class. I'll be focusing on getting my presentation ready for you, checking out the markets for my own trading. And so now's the last time. So get yourself signed up right now. Becomeabettertrader.com/go. You do not want to miss this class because this class applies to all traders and investors, not just the more experienced and serious ones. Okay, so have a wonderful night. And then, of course, tomorrow night with the special class at 7 o'clock Eastern, 6 o'clock Central, 4 o'clock Pacific. Take care, everyone. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.